Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight, and all we will be doing tonight is to analyze the markets one after the other, and of course we will be doing that together. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to browse through the channel, watch my training videos. I've got lots of them right here, and of course learn the strategy, practice and perfect the trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. This is very important, and if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? If you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section. I'll always be there to reply you. Okay, so these are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, and of course if you are not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something big. So many people have done that. You too can also do the same thing. Okay, so we will be going straight into it right away, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I will be using the 3M trend meal card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. And just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course right from this resistance zone it was unable to break out from there because it was a very foul resistance zone. So it pulled back and got to this support zone, went back up again, and it will be trying out the support zone again. Once it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should expect it to sell more right from here because it has gotten to this resistance zone, except if it breaks out above this resistance zone, that is when it will continue to buy. But for now we should expect it to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially if it does not break out above that resistance zone. So the next our asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and this had been on uptrend for a very long time, but it was unable to break out from this resistance zone, so it went back on downtrend, even though it has gotten to a support zone which it has not been able to break out of. Okay, so it will be trying it out again. Once it breaks out of there, then definitely it's going to be selling more. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. But remember, if it does not break out from the support zone, then definitely it will buy right from there. So the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This had been on downtrend for long, and of course it's going back on uptrend at the moment. Okay, so it will be buying more, but here is a resistance zone. Around here we've got a resistance zone around here which it needs to break out from. Okay, so this will be buying more right from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, still on 5-minute time frame. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can learn directly from this channel? Okay, this is very important. Okay guys, this actually got to this resistance zone, and it sold till it got to this support zone, pull back, went back there again, but this time around it broke out below the support zone and it is still selling. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, it's been on a very strong downtrend, and it has gotten to this support zone again. If it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will start buying, but for now it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, that is when it will go back into a buy trend. So this is very important for you to take note of. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy our Qora digital cash. If you are going to be trading using the analysis tonight, do that carefully so that you will be able to make some good profit for yourself. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, learn the strategies, practice and perfect it first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God